Cat's Eye. Cat's Eye have been putting out interesting music. I didn't even check out Internet Girl. I heard it, but I was like, what do I do with this? I mean, it seems like a fun song. I feel like with Cat's Eye nowadays, I feel like I'm coming with an open mind. I'm coming with an open mind to see how it is visually, like performance-wise too, because when Gnarly came out, when we heard Gnarly, I wasn't all for it, to be honest. But when I saw that ish perform, they performed that ish so good. That shit convinced me. They convinced me. But Gnarly is its own era, but I feel like we're still doing this type of stuff. I feel like, I don't know, how do you feel about where Cat's Eye is going? Especially with Manon and everything too. I'm like, what is happening? I mean, I don't know how to run a company. I don't know how to run a label, but like y'all got vocalists in this group. We're gonna go in this with an open mind for sure. But I'm definitely curious. Let's get into it, shall we? Be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. What the fuck? Is that like?
I bet it goes like this. Pinky up, up, pinky up, up.
Huh?
Pinky up, pinky up.
Not the rolling up.
Pinky up. One day soon the world's gonna end. I'm gonna make out with my new bestest friends. I wanna live large right before it all burns down. Up, pinky up. Go hard like a robin the Louvre.
I mean, they are singing in this, which is dope. Lisa with the cute attitude, like Lisa, shout out. Oh, Mona Lisa. We getting high? Ooh, oh, serving. They serving.
I bet it goes like this. Pinky up. Up. Pinky up.
Okay.
Pinky up.
Ooh. Hey. Who this?
You.
Oh.
We. Me. We. You.
Bro, what is this sponsor?
Us against the world, shaking ass in the parking lot. If
Oh.
we get arrested, haha, baby, laugh it off. I love you, you love me, we batshit, we.
We batshit, we.
For you, if it got that deep.
Oh.
Fantasy is a frequency of my love. Delusion, philosophy,
Is that Bike?
kind of lunatic,
Oh.
just like Socrates. The only true stone is knowing you know nothing.
Oh, I am so. Oh. I'm overstimulated.
Ooh, screaming from cloud nine. No one could touch us if they tried. What is the state of mind?
I feel like I'm being brainwashed.
Pinky up,
Wait, what did it say on their clothes?
state of mind. I bet it goes like this.
Oh, I thought it said something. I thought there were letters. I love the wigs.
Pinky up, up, pinky up, up, pinky up.
What?
Pinky.
1, 2, 3. Oh. Hold up. Do I get it? Performance-wise, this is gonna be lit. This is already better than Internet Girl, personally. That's my opinion, obviously. If you like Internet Girl, that's you. You know, eat zucchini, you know, whatever. Make out with the new bestest friend. Oh, we Mona Lisa with a cute attitude. Okay. I just realized she's trapped in a claw machine. The outfits go crazy. I love this scene. I don't know why. Obviously, I love Laura. I love Sophia as well. But they serving. Wow, this is a dope scene. And they serving vocals too.
I bet it goes like this.
It cuts from scene. This is an interesting like cutaway. They shaking some ass. This scene is kind of interesting too.
You. Me. We. Me. Me. You.
Bro, this is a promo.
Us against the world, shaking ass in the park.
Okay, that part kind of go hard though. You know, I do love me some like ass shaking though. You gotta be on there. Like,
Us against the world, shaking ass in the parking lot. If we get arrested, haha, baby, laugh it up.
nah, better unless you got money. Unless you got that money.
I love you, you love me, we batch it, we and I kill it for you if it got that deep.
This feels like a toxic friendship. I'm not gonna lie. This feels like a toxic friendship. She's serving right now, bro. Now, the thing is, like, okay. Watching this, I already know they're gonna slay on Coachella when they perform this. Well, that's what I think. You know, we never know until we see it. We'll see it, but damn. When do they perform? I have to see it. And this part kind of go hard. Definitely for the ravers. Damn. Kind of go hard, I'm not gonna lie. Shit. Pinky Up. Cat's Eye. I'm feeling the gnarly effect more on Pinky Up. And by that, I mean like, I'm confused listening to it and watching it. I'm entertained and overwhelmed. I think the more I saw them, I want to see them perform it live. That's what sold me on Gnarly. I have to see more. I feel like this one is for me. It's to grow on me. It has to grow on me a bit more. That shit go hard. This go hard. Put the comments down below what you guys think of Cat's Eye's Pinky Up. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Check out the Patreon if you haven't already. Got some dope stuff over there. It's better than the music that they had on XO Kitty. That's for sure. No, I've been reacting to XO Kitty on my Patreon. No tea, no shade. But yeah, all right, Cat's Eye. I can't wait to see this performed live, and then I'll get my even more like opinion for myself. I mean, it's just my opinion, but yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of Pinky Up. All right, Al. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to XO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day.